Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today's topic is multiplying decimal fractions. Means how to multiply decimal fractions. Firstly, we will do multiplying a decimal fraction by a whole number. I explain you with an example. Suppose I have to multiply 4.81 by 23. Means this decimal fraction by a whole number. What we do, we multiply as whole numbers. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. 3 fours are 12, plus 2 is 14, 2 ones are 2, 8 twos are 16, 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. Now add this 3, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 9 plus 1 10, plus 1 11. Okay, same as we do in whole numbers. Now what we have to do, we have to note the number of decimal places in the number being multiplied. Here see how many decimal places are there. 2 decimal places are there. So what we do, we leave 2 digits from the right and place the decimal. So here our answer will be, this is 11063. 11,063 is our product, and there are 2 decimal places in this number. So what we will do, we will leave 2 digits from the right and place the decimal. Okay, so this way we multiply a decimal fraction by a whole number. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have to multiply 5.023 by 139. So what we will do, we'll multiply same as we do in whole numbers. 5023 by 139. 9 threes are 27, 9 twos are 18, plus 2 is 20, 9 fives are 45, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2, 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 7, 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 2 11, 5 plus 2 7, plus 1 8, 4 plus 5 9 and 6. So our product is 6,98,197. Okay, now we have to place the decimal. Now count the number of decimal places in this number. See how many decimal places are there. There are 3 decimal places, 1, 2 and 3. So what we will leave 3 digits from the right and place the decimal. There are 3 decimal places in this number. So leave 3 digits from the right, 1, 2, 3 and place the decimal. Okay, so this way we multiply a decimal fraction by a whole number. Next is multiplying a decimal fraction by numbers like 10, 100 and 1000 and their multiples. So what we do, when a decimal is multiplied by a number like 10, 100 or 1000, its decimal point gets shifted right as many places as there are zeros in the multiplier. See, suppose I have to multiply 75.08 by 10. Okay, how many zeros are there? 1 0. 1 0 in this. So the decimal point will shift 1 place to the right. Okay, I have explained you earlier that the decimal point gets shifted right as many places as there are zeros in the multiplier. And here there is only 1 0. So decimal point will shift 1 place to the right. Okay, so this will be 750.8. 750.8. If I have to multiply 75.089 by 100, so there are 2 zeros. Okay, there are 2 zeros in this, so this decimal will shift 2 places towards right. So this will be 7508.9. Here is the decimal. This decimal will shift 2 places towards right. Okay, so this will be 7508.9. If I have to multiply 75.089 by 1000, then what will happen? See, there are 3 zeros in this, so this decimal point will shift 3 places towards right. So this will come at here. So the decimal will be removed. this will be the answer, 75,089. Okay, so this way we multiply a decimal fraction by numbers like 10, 100 or 1000. Now if we have to multiply the decimal fraction by the multiples of 10, 100 or 1000, then what we do? Suppose I have to multiply 36.8 by 20. See how many zeros are here? There is 1 0. So the decimal point will shift one place towards right. So this will become 368. So what we will do, we'll multiply 368 by 2. Instead of multiplying 36.8 by 20, we will multiply 368 by 2. So our product will be 2 8s are 16. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 36.8 multiplied by 20 is 736. Okay, take one more example. Suppose we have to multiply 132.578 by 900. How many zeros are here? There are 2 zeros in this. So the decimal will shift 2 places towards right. So this will be 13257.8. Okay, 13,257.8 multiplied by 9. So this will be, product is 11,93,202. See, the decimal is after one digit. Count the number of decimal places here. Only one decimal place, so leave one digit from the right and place decimal. So this will be 119320.2. Okay, 1,19,320.2. So this way we multiply decimal fraction by the multiples of 10, 100 or 1000. Okay,